yeah, you turn up, you're scraping in, going over the speed humps. Little one sat in the front, thinks it's absolutely brilliant. We've got the air horn on it as well, so he usually gives that a toot. And it's good when you rock up, you pull into your pitch, you've got a couple of caravans next to you, a couple of tents, hit the air out button, everybody looks, it's spot on. I'm James Burton, I'm from Stratford and I'm a project manager. I bought it to get into the campervan scene, have a laugh with the little one, go out with family, go to events and stuff like that. I started modifying a van just simply because you go to shows, you see a few cool things, a few ideas, you mimic, you copy people, and it kind of grew from there a little bit really. I'm on ABP Air, I've got 3P management, and I've got the Porsche Cayenne Turbo 20-inch on there at the moment, staggered. You've got anything you can cut out of the front, cut out, so all the seams are gone, cut back to the door shuts, all the usual sort of stuff. Engine subframe raise, that's gone up by 35mm. Drop links are removed, ARB's gone, so pretty much as much as you can do at the front really. Units are from not Evo Motion, they're from Majestic Wood Design. Flat pack, built them all up myself. Seats from Captain Seat, had those retrimmed and fitted it all myself again. And yeah, as you can see, pineapples that my little boy loves. Thought it'd be a cool idea, so we ran with that for now. Yeah, we go away quite a lot actually, yeah. Any weekend we can where the weather's half decent. We've got a night heater fitted, got the awning that tags on the side, so yeah, whenever we can get away. Usually it's on the M5 down to Cornwall. Lowdown for me, it's about a group of mates. That's the main thing I get from it. Everybody you meet who's got a stick-it up van, they are the best people you're going to meet. Absolutely spot on, they couldn't be nicer. Decent people, you have a laugh with them, you have a beer with them, a bit of banter, everybody takes the mickey out of everyone else, and it's just really, really good. And as a plus side, any issues you've got doesn't necessarily need to be to do with suspension and getting the van on its arse. It can be anything. Ask them, use their knowledge, and they'll help you out. Even to the point where I broke down the other day, had a flat tyre, and 2 Lowdown vans stopped to come and help me, and people were putting on the Facebook page, saw you broke down, do you need a hand? Oh, you can't get better than that. You won't get that anywhere else. Stu mate, Carl Hancock's absolute stars with it. Put all the air ride on. Anything I've asked them to do, nothing has been too much trouble for them. They've fiddled, fettled with everything. Absolute stars. Spot on, brilliant. Thank you very much.